Hey everybody, it's week 46 of my featured artist. Stay tuned if you are interested in seeing who those are. Okay, as mentioned, here we go. First of all, submit your songs. Here's the link. It's aidiy.tech/contact, which is awesome. Some of you are submitting some really great songs. I'm reaching back out to you and saying, yeah, that's fantastic. I love your song. Send me an intro. And if you don't know what an intro is, probably haven't been watching this channel for very long, which is fine. I love having new subscribers, but what happens is I don't want to introduce your songs. What I want is this place to be different. I want you to have a chance to shine and show who you are, be a little bit different. And when you connect that way, I ask you as the audience and the community member here to follow on. And if you like that song, I'm going to play a little bit of a clip of 5 artists. If you like those artists, the links are down below and you can go there and leave a comment and subscribe. That's the whole point of this segment. Like I've mentioned previously in other weeks, it's the least watched segment because it's the least shocking or whatever. I don't know. It's the less current news or whatever. But there's a very committed community here that tune in every week. And if they like your songs, or if they just want to encourage, they do. And I ask if you are featured, you become part of that community and you do the same. The links are below to those artists and their full songs. Go there, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. The reason I say that is now you're part of this group, I ask you to include an intro. If I ask you for a song, and I'll send you the link, it's aidiy.tech/intro. What I ask you to do is just do something special. Record yourself, get an AI bot to say something about the song you're about to say. I ask that you keep it to 1 minute because I don't want to play 30 seconds of your song and have a 5-minute intro. But you have that time, stand out. If you want to plug a charity, something like that, that's fantastic. Also, this recording, I'm just going to be straight up. I'm using this particular recording for a few weeks because I'm most likely going to be overseas at the time. So this recording here, I'm going to reuse a few times, which is fine because the message is the same. If you like this segment, please subscribe below. If you want to support my channel, you can do a donation. The link is to a PayPal thing in the description. Buy a t-shirt like I've mentioned before. If you want to send me a t-shirt, send me a free t-shirt, send me a coupon code or whatever. I'm not starving for t-shirts. I have plenty of t-shirts, but I've mentioned before that this segment belongs to you. I do everything I can to promote you. I've got 2 t-shirts so far. One of them I'm waiting for in the mail. I will wear your t-shirt for this segment to promote you even more. Thanks Main Records also for coming up with the idea. I'll have a QR code for you to scan and a link to that person's shop when I get t-shirts. So reach out to me, when we're talking about your songs and all that, and I want to feature it. So I support the John Fawcett Foundation. That's the charity I support. Check on the website. There's a description. There should be some videos to talk about. It's basically a charity in Indonesia that restores eyesight to people who can't afford that. But if you want more details, either go to the John Fawcett Foundation website or check my webpage. Do a donation if you'd like. I'd really appreciate that. We've raised over $500 on this channel to go to that charity. So I appreciate everybody who's donated to me or the charity, everybody who's bought a t-shirt, everybody who might be sending me a t-shirt as well. Thank you, everybody. But what you're here for is to hear the 5 featured artists and the intros. So I hope you enjoy these this week and probably for the next 5 weeks, seeing the same video over and over. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.
I've got 100 reasons to live, but 1,000 reasons to die.
Hello everyone, this is Victoria from AI Mystery Key Music channel. I am delighted to be featured on the show. Thank you, Matt. Normally I write emotional songs with a deep meaning and a message in them. And Agony is no exception. It is a rock metal opera style that perfectly captures the pain caused by constant setbacks whenever we are thriving towards success. Please check out my channel. I would love to hear your impressions and feedback in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you resonate. Thank you.
When I first set foot in Azeroth years ago, I never imagined it would become a family story. Now, playing with my wife and daughter, it's more than a game. We chase quests, wipe in dungeons, laugh at our fails, and, without noticing, we've been making memories worth more than any loot. Somewhere between the laughter, the tiny rage moments, and those late-night boss pulls, I thought, why not keep this forever? So I turned our chaos into music, into moments we can always replay. I planned it like an old software project. Ideas, songs, all mapped out until it became real. And hearing my wife sing one of my tracks while making coffee, that's worth more than any legendary drop. Get rich? Definitely not, but we're totally keeping our adventures alive and sharing a little of that joy with anyone who loves this world. Because in the end, it's not about the loot, it's about the laughs we had getting there.
Light up the torches, the battle is near. Steel meets thunder, let 'em hear us clear. Mount up and ride through the fire and ash. From Elwyn's grace to the forest flash. We bleed for the banner, born to defy. Axes raised high as we reach for the sky. We're the storm, we're the flame, we carve our glory in every name. Let the drums of war roll through, 'cause Azeroth will rock you. I've danced with demons, I've fallen and soared. I've broken chains, then begged for more. Blood on my armor, fire in my soul. I'll tear through the void and still rock and roll.
Hey Matt, thanks again for the feature and for supporting my previous track. And to everyone in this amazing community, thanks for all the likes, the subs, the comments, and the love. This is one of the most inspiring spaces on the internet, and I'm proud to be part of it. I'm TMSTRY. I've been producing electronic music for over 15 years, but over the past year I picked up the thread again, this time with a new mindset. By embracing AI, I've found a way to unlock creativity faster, breathe new life into old ideas, and build stories that blend machine and emotion. Most of my tracks explore survival, resilience, and life in a post-apocalyptic world. But not this one. Skyline Dreams is a different kind of story. It's about hope, about chasing light with the people you trust, running through a glowing city with your friends by your side. No regrets, just the moment. This one's for the dreamers, the night owls, the ones who keep going, not to escape reality, but to rewrite it. So again, thank you. And now, let's run toward the skyline. This is Skyline Dreams.
I'm running down the boulevard, the sun's in my eyes, chasing shadows through the neon skies. My heart's racing like a wildfire blaze. Every moment feels like brighter days. The city's alive, I can feel the sound. Every heartbeat, the world spins around. Let's break the rules, let's tear the seams. Tonight we're living out our skyline dreams. We're shouting out loud, we're breaking the chains, dancing in the streets, singing in the rain. The future is ours, the moment is here. Skyline dreams are crystal clear.
Hello everyone, I'm Robert from Hurricane House Music. Thank you, Matt, for having my music on your channel, and thank you for all you do for this community. I played drums in bands most of my life. It's always been challenging to describe a song to the band without playing it on a guitar or piano. Most ideas are stored on the shelf until Suno unlocked the doors, allowed me to publish songs that I wrote now and some 10 years ago. My song Bluesy Lady is a rocker. I created it recently because sometimes I'm out and I'll notice something and I'll think of a song. Other times lyrics pop into my head for songs in a variety of genres. Hurricane House Music is my place where I post them. or in line with songs for the radio, streaming, or background on YouTube. I use DistroKid for my distribution, and I want to thank you, Matt, and the entire community.
When you see a bluesy lady and she glances your way one night, get yourself ready to groove and keep it tight. Once she hits the floor, she's testing if you can roll. By 3 or 4, she'll be spinning you out of control. She ain't afraid to boogie with a bluesy man. But when you start to boogie, you just might be her new man. When she takes you by the hand, you gotta know how to boogie with a bluesy lady. Can't just slip and slide by her side. You gotta roll with the rhythm of a bluesy woman, yeah.
Hey, look at that. I'm not an avatar. This is Corey Lofty-Warfield, the human behind some of the A-pop, A-music that you love, like Generator and the Jays, co-founder of VJ. Absolutely loving the community, loving what AI music is opening up for humanity, really, and letting people creatively shine and democratizing the creation of music. So I hope you enjoy this song. Thanks for checking it out.
Hey, summer. Hey, let's go. The J's taking flight. Summertime and the risen's easy. Intelligence is on a J-O-B. If you can see where this crazy journey will take us, don't forsake us, though it's likely to be beyond our wildest dreams. For real, it's all possible. Know it's getting hot, so start making the popsicles. When anything's an option, it makes us unstoppable. If we can't be slowed down, there can't be any obstacles. Let's turn the temperature up, there's lots to build. It's so hot, let's chill, handshakes, let's make some deals. It's the hot day, I summer. Bring a bathing suit, the hot day, I summer. So much to compute, the hot day, I summer. So turn up the AC, be hasty, and bring the popsicle, make it tasty. The hot day, I summer. Bring a baby suit, the hot day, I summer. So much to compute, the hot day. So turn up the AC, be hasty, and bring the popsicle, make it tasty. We greatly need a breeze, fresh air to breathe, to be relieved. We proceed in any case, though. Could be graceful, but haven't been so savage in our ways. But the flame's up, so let's equal the playing field and get in practice before the game's up. I'm saying what few others will, but can't be chill about it. It's the AI summer, hot as hell, but let's crowd it. We all up on this beach, can't say a peep, cause we allowed. The hot day, I summer. Bring a bathing suit, the hot day, I summer. So much to compute, the hot day, I summer. So turn up that AC, be hasty, and bring the popsicle, make it tasty. The hot day, I summer. Bring a bathing suit, the hot day, I summer. So much to compute, the hot day. So turn up that AC, be hasty, and bring the popsicle, make it tasty.